Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Classes YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we shall consider to develop a Python program to calculate the area of a triangle. To calculate the area of triangle, first of all, we should know what is the formula to calculate the area. So we have got two methods to calculate the area of a triangle. The first one is the first method using the base and height. Whenever the base and height of a triangle are given, its formula is area is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. This is the very first and simple formula to calculate the area of any triangle. And we have got another method number 2, using Heron's formula. Here we need to calculate semi-perimeter. To calculate this, first the three sides of the triangle will be given in the numerical, and the task is to calculate its semi-perimeter, which is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Perimeter is a plus b plus c and its semi-perimeter is divided by 2. Once we get S, that is the semi-perimeter, I can calculate the area of such a triangle. Area is equal to square root of S into bracket S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this is another formula to calculate the area of triangle. Next we shall consider a Python code to calculate the area of triangle using both the methods. Using method 1, let me first calculate the area of triangle, wherein base and height will be given. So let me write base is equal to float input, enter the base of a triangle. Yes, this is the first message. So I'll accept the base of the triangle from the user. The user is going to input the base of the triangle, so that will be of type float, and that I will store it onto the variable base. So once we store the value onto the base, the next parameter is height. Height is equal to float input, enter the height of a triangle. So here I'm going to accept the height of the triangle from the user, hence I'm using the keyword input, and which is of type float, that I will store it onto the variable height. So now we get base and height from the user. The next task is to calculate its area. So how do I calculate area? Area is equal to 1 divided by 2 into base into height. So this is the formula to calculate the area of a triangle. Once we have calculated, the next task is to display that area, the calculated area. For this I use print the area of a triangle is. So here I'm going to display the area of a triangle. Yes, this is the message. So now the code is ready. If there are no errors, so we shall get the output straight away. So let me save this and let me run this code. Yes, here I'm getting the message, enter the base of a triangle. Let the base of a triangle be 5. Next, it will ask me to enter the height of a triangle. Let the height of a triangle be 10. And what is the area of a triangle? So I'm going to get the output as the area of a triangle is 25. It is 1 by 2 into base into height, so that I'm going to get the answer as 25 as the float. So herein I have given the base and height of the triangle as integers. They can also be of type float, hence I have used of type data type float. And let me run this code again. Enter the base of the triangle. Let the base of the triangle this time be 5.5 as a fractional number. Enter the height of a triangle, let this be 8.5, and I'm going to get the area of the triangle as 23.375. So this is the code to calculate the area of a triangle using base and height. So now we shall consider another Python code to calculate the area of the triangle, wherein the three sides of the triangle are given. I can make use of the Heron's formula. So first let me consider writing the code. Import math. So math is a module. I'm going to import this. Means I'm going to use some of the mathematical formula, the equations in the code. Hence I use import math. It is a module. A is equal to, let A, B, C are the three sides. So A is equal to float input, enter the first side of a triangle. So here I'm getting the first side of the triangle from the user, hence I use the keyword input, and which can be of type of float, hence I make use of the data type float. Yes. Next, similarly, I'll get the second side of the triangle and I'll store it onto the variable b. So let me copy this, paste it, and I said the second variable, the second side is b. So here I would type second side of a triangle. So let me copy this again and paste it one more time, and let this time the third side is going to be c, and here let me change this to third side of a triangle. So I'm going to accept all three sides of the triangle from the user, and I will store it onto the variables a, b, and c. Once it is done, the next task is to calculate its semi-perimeter. What is the semi-perimeter of a triangle? We know that S is equal to a plus b plus c, and I'm going to divide this by 2. So this is the formula to calculate the semi-perimeter of a triangle. Once we know the semi-perimeter, I can calculate its area. What is area? Area is equal to, here I'm going to use math dot sqrt. I'm going to use the module square root, which is present in math, hence I use math dot sqrt. What is the formula? So this we know it. It is into bracket s into s minus a, then I have s minus b, then I have s minus c. So this is the formula to calculate the area of a triangle. Once it is been done, I have to only display it. So let me use print the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is, so it is area. Yes, this is the code to calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. So if there are no errors, so let me run this. I'm going to get the output straight away. Enter the first side of a triangle. So let the first side of a triangle be 2.5. Next, enter the second side of a triangle. This time let this be 3.5. Next, enter the third side of a triangle. Let this be 4 this time. So now I have entered three sides of a triangle. Next is the semi-perimeter will get calculated internally, that I'm making use it in the formula for area, and I'm going to get the area straight away. The area of a triangle is 4.33. So in this way I can get the area of a triangle using Heron's formula, Heron's method. I hope you people have understood. If there are still any doubts, please let me know them onto the comment section, and I'm happy to answer those doubts. Thank you so much for watching.